Yeah, I'm a bluebird of paradise, but that doesn't mean I'm depressed. It just refers to my plumage. I do like to eat alone, that's true, but that's just because I hate the sound of chewing. Noisy masticators drive me up a tree. I don't want to hear your food, Larry, if you're watching this. But I'm not depressed, it's just the opposite. Many ornithologists consider me to be the most beautiful bird in existence. True facts. So I don't care about your 3-car garage and your Maserati, Larry. You're still an ugly duckling.
Please support us by following our Facebook page and by contributing on Kickstarter.com.